Okay, so I was trying to make a video on my laptop, and of course it does not work because it's stupid. So I was making one on my phone, and I've never done it before, so it's kind of like new to me. Um, it's 5 o'clock in the morning, and I'm tired. Um, I'm making this video because my ex said this is the way I talk directly to him. So, because I don't look at him in person, so I'm looking at the camera right now, so, yeah. You're gonna look at this video and be like, why did I date her? She's so weird. And, yeah, but you're weird and stupid too, so it's okay. I look horrible. I wish I could just, like, cover my face and be like, yep. I'm just gonna show my, let you hear my voice and not see my face. So, yeah, I'm so tired. I'm going to ski rings on Friday with some girl I never met in person, but I've talked to her through text messages. Pretty sweet. This is so awkward. I've never done this before. But, I look horrible. My hair is all blurry. Okay, don't judge. It's 5 o'clock in the morning and I'm tired. I have a birthday for my son, and he's over there. He's a month old now. Yeah, but dad's not in the life, so mine. Yeah. No, that's pretty horrible. I can't do anything. You look, like, decent right now. I feel icky. Today is 9/11, and that's when all the people died from the Twin Towers, the plane. I'm sorry if anyone lost somebody. Sorry, my finger just went away. And I thought about this earlier. 11 looks like the Twin Towers, so it's kind of like, yeah, I'm kind of stupid like that. But, yeah. I look so bad and horrible right now. It's not even funny. But, yeah, this video is 3 minutes long now. And I'm listening to Avril Lavigne. Yeah, you're gonna look at this video and be like, yeah, well, you shouldn't have told me that you like watching my videos because you're a creep now. Oh, so bad. I won't have any face if I look bad. But I'm thinking about dyeing my hair. Look at it. Because I might go dark. I don't know. It might stay orange. Because I like orange hair. Don't judge me. You're gonna text me after you watch this video and be like, you're so weird. But then I'm just like, you're weird too, so it's okay. But, yeah, you're probably gonna watch this video after you're done with work and school. Yeah, yeah. I don't even know what I said. I'm selling Avon now. Obviously, because look at it. Look at it. And I'm starting college for hair and stuff. Cosmetology in January. Look at my hair. It's like, yeah, I'm bored, and it's 5 o'clock in the morning, so do not judge me. I don't even know if this is working, so I have to go after I'm done and see if it recorded at all. I'm sorry if it's really loud or quiet, but it's 5 o'clock in the morning. I'm running out on 5 o'clock in the morning. Tyler looks so dead. Like, look at this. But my son has blue eyes. Yeah, I think I'm gonna end this video. Yeah. I don't subscribe or anything, so yeah.